So we're going to say it in Arabic, to our best of our ability. Arabic is not my first language. I'm Mexican.
No, either.
And then we'll say it in English. So are you ready? Is this your left? This is your right. Okay. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
la ilaha
la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammad
Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there's none worthy of worship
that there's none worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his last and final messenger.
is his last and final messenger.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Jesus, son of Mary,
that Jesus, son of Mary,
is a prophet and messenger of Allah.
is a prophet and messenger of Allah.
Welcome to Islam.